ఇది లక్ష్మీ నాకు అర్థమైంది సో
This is not, isn't the second segment I was referring to, but I forgot to mention when market conditions are being corrected. It's very smart to find an IPO that has sci-fi bank activity, and I'll explain to you what I'm saying. But at the bottom of the screen, you see MITT is doing better in the aftermarket than it did in opening market. Okay. As I explained in the first segment, I maintained my gains from Thursday by going into subprime mortgage, knowing that it was announced that the Federal Reserve would be buying subprime mortgage instruments. Did not go into that asset class immediately because I knew it was going to be a midterm solution to propping up the stock market in lieu of another stimulus bill being passed, which is shortstopped in the government. So they went to another tool in their toolbox to maintain some stability in the stock market, which was subprime mortgage instruments, which is what kept things stable today. As you can see, it's 8.53% in the positive during trading. After hours trading, it is 1.07% extended hours, and I expect this to move higher throughout the weekend to bring us back to this high market conditions on a Monday. We're going to look at the sci-fi banks, which these are the zombie banks. Be back. In front of you, you see the zombie banks in which they would facilitate these subprime mortgage purchases. As you can see, the sci-fi banks, zombie banks, too big to fail, banks specifically designed to do this kind of stuff, are totally doing 1.82%. ING, UBS coming out of Switzerland is negative 0.41%. So HDP, which is Chinese government supporting the American stock market. And supposedly we're having issues with them, but they're buying subprime mortgages in the United States housing market. I don't believe the news media at all. XL left. Greg Manarino mentioned a 15% gain in XLF using spread options. If you just would have bought the stock today at its low, you would have did 2.14%. BLK, which is definitely a particular sci-fi bank that is into black ops, strictly black operations, 1.02%. And this is a new thing I've added to the watch list. MFC, the New York Stock Exchange. I may have done research on this weeks ago. Let's find out what's going on with them. It's a Canadian life insurance company kind of bank thing. Principal operations in Asia, Canada, and the United States. Let's see there, WAM, Global Management Business, Mutual Funds, Exchange Traded Funds. So those are ETFs based off of people's life insurance policies. This is probably why I keyed this in. This is the epitome of what you would call too big to fail. 1, sci-fi bank, zombie bank. 3, wealth redistribution. So out of all of the sci-fi banks that I have on the sci-fi bank watch list, UBS is the only one that's in the negative. The sentiment of the traders are bullish on this particular IPO. You see what the computer says about it. Okay, as you can read at the bottom, AG would not be a bank that they would buy subprime mortgages with. It's mainly residential subprime mortgage. This is mainly a zombie that would be used to finance some kind of business, black ops, whatever. And I don't think that would be their first choice. Point in case, what I want to show to you, look at the bond market derivative. The 20 years, the only thing that's in the positive in the aftermarket. High yields trash. BNDW World Bond based on Japanese yen, U.S. currency regime, BNDX based on euro, U.S. currency regime down. Bond market is not property of the stock market at this particular time at 26 and at 11 and a quarter, 26 and a quarter, 27 and a half. Read a particular index. Thank you. Later on this evening, we'll get into more charts. I'll pull out the laptop and we'll get into this a little bit deeper. Please like, share, and subscribe.